Incredible how Mother Nature is. Last year, this was all flooded. This much water. From where? From there. So what happens? See, this is all new. They had to do something. This is going to be flooded again because of clear cutting. In the media, everybody says, well, there's going to be a little bit of rain, so we better watch it. There'll be some rain. Oh, it's cold at night, warm during the day, blah, 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 blah. Or, you know, anything to say, but clear cutting. That's the cause of flooding, clear cutting. I have a hard time to see here. Oh, there it is. No, there it is, right there. Getting all... There we go.